Hi guys, today we are going to see how to install a plugin in WordPress. At first, let's know what is a plugin. WordPress plugins are like apps on your phone. You can download or purchase them to add or enhance the functionality of your WordPress website. Plugins allow WordPress user to create powerful sites without touching a single line of code. So, I'm Asad from WTeach and I will show you how to do that easily. There are two ways to install a WordPress plugin. The first one is using WordPress search. To do that, just get entered to the WordPress dashboard by typing the domain name /login in a browser new tab. Put the username and password, then hit the login button. Once you are logged in, then just go to plugins and add new. Now here, search for a plugin name. Let's say I want to add a contact form on my site, so I need a contact form plugin. So I am searching for contact form. Once I found that, then just click on install now. To enable the plugin, I need to activate that, so I click on activate. Once the plugin activates, how can you find that? You can find the plugin on this page to use that. If I click on settings, then it will redirect me to this page to use that. Also, you can find the plugin on the sidebar. As you can see, once we activated the plugin, the symbol of a contact form has appeared here. The second way is uploading the plugin of zip form. Let's say you have downloaded or purchased a plugin, then you have got a zip file like this. Now, go to plugin and add new. Then click on upload plugin. Click on choose file. Now select the zip file and click on open. As you can see, the plugin has been selected. Just click on install now. Now to enable the plugin, just activate the plugin by clicking activate. As you can see, a symbol has been connected on the sidebar. So this is how you can install a plugin in a WordPress website. If you are new here, then subscribe to the channel to get new tutorials like this. Thanks for being with us.